Welcome to Tempe Center for the Arts, home of Noche de Gourmet, put on by the gentlemen of the Active 2030 Club of Phoenix. The event is an incredible evening filled with great food, great wine, great live music, all benefiting locally based children's charities, and we want you to be a part of it.
The Phoenix Active 2030 Club is a group of 50 men between the ages of 20 and 40 that sole purpose is to help underprivileged children here in Phoenix.
All of the proceeds from your ticket purchase go to benefit the Children in Need Foundation.
Some of the beneficiaries of the grants that we hand out every year are the homeless shelter UMOM in Phoenix, Children's First Academy, the largest elementary school for homeless children, and Make-A-Wish Foundation, which is world-renowned and was started here in Arizona.
Noche de Gourmet is our signature event that we've been putting on for over 25 years. This is a semi-formal food and wine expo that includes restaurants from all over the valley, top beer, wine, and spirits, a beer garden, silent auction, raffle, and live music.
This is just one of the areas throughout the venue where great food from top local restaurants will be served. You definitely want to come hungry.
This year, we're excited to have Static back. They are the official house band of the Phoenix Suns. The great thing about Noche de Gourmet is that your food, the band, spirits, and beer are all included at one great price, and all of this goes to help out a great cause.
As a VIP ticket holder, you get access to a special selection of spirits, exclusive food opportunities, and breathtaking views of our party.
For our VIP ticket holders, we're going to have top shelf beer, wine, and spirits available to you. This is going to include a tasting from Cruz Tequila, Buffalo Trace Bourbon, and Eagle Rare Bourbon. VIP sponsors are also going to have access to a private cigar lounge where they're going to be hand rolling your favorite cigars. This is a great place to have a drink and unwind.
In addition to being a spectacular event, Noche de Gourmet is also an incredible sponsorship opportunity.
For our potential corporate sponsors, Noche de Gourmet offers a wonderful opportunity, a night to entertain your employees, guests, and clients. You can celebrate with us while we raise money for local children's charities. All the money from tonight's event will be reinvested in the community.
This year's 27th annual Noche de Gourmet is an event you won't want to miss. For information regarding ticket sales or sponsorship, please visit our website at www.nochedegourmet.com, and thanks for watching.